Creations. In today's video, I am going to be answering a subscriber question that I get asked all the time. And it's, how do I keep up with my everyday life, with the house, being a mom, being a wife, and YouTube? How do I deal with it all? This is a question that I'm going to answer in a couple of different videos because I have some tips and tricks that help make my life just a bit easier. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my laundry. But I do laundry for a family of 5. And I do everybody's laundry because, yes, I'm going to tell you now, Ray and Kayla do know how to do their own laundry. But I choose my battles. And what I mean by that is, when you have several different people in your family doing laundry, everybody's on a different schedule, everybody has their own time that they want to do laundry, and I'm going to be honest with you, when I want to do laundry, I want to do laundry and I need to do laundry because it's in my schedule and it's what I've scheduled myself to do at that time. And the last thing I want to worry about is walking into the laundry room, hearing the washer going, or seeing somebody's wet clothes in there that I have to take out and put in the dryer and take to their room. As I'm sure that is a huge frustration with a lot of people that have multiple people in their house doing their own laundry, is you'll go in and you'll either see dry clothes in the dryer and you have to take them out, and that's just not a battle that I want to worry about. So it's just a lot easier for me to do everybody's laundry, and that way when I need to do laundry, I can do laundry. But I will share with you, I do not like folding laundry. I mean, who really does like folding laundry? I absolutely hate folding laundry. And so I've come up with a method of doing laundry and sorting it that works perfectly for a family of 5. And it makes my life easier, it makes their life easier, and it is an amazing tip. So let's jump into it and let me show you how I do laundry that makes it so easy for me to do for a family of 5. Alrighty, so it is laundry day, and excuse the echo. I do have a new microphone now, and I'm hoping that it will improve the sound and kind of take away from the echo, but I am in my laundry room in an enclosed room, so the sound's going to be a bit different. Because I'm so busy, I don't have time to fold a mountain of laundry. I just don't. And that part of laundry is what I hated the most. I just could not stand folding everybody's laundry, and I would find myself falling more and more behind doing laundry because the folding aspect of it took so much time. So what I've come up with is using laundry baskets. I have got a laundry basket for each person in this house. I even went so far as to label everybody's basket with their name on it. So when the baskets come back to me, I know whose basket is missing. I picked these baskets up at Walmart. They were $4 a piece. So for 5 baskets, I paid $20, which is well worth my sanity and making life so much easier. On laundry day, I take and place everybody's baskets on the ground because I have a longer laundry room. And this only stays during laundry day when nobody's home, so it's not a hindrance when people are walking in the door. And that there is how I do laundry every other day on my laundry days. And you know, it really does take almost no time at all. It keeps me sane. I have a busy schedule, so it just makes it altogether easier than having everybody do their own laundry. And like I said, I choose my battles. And I'm sure that there's some of you who are saying, but what about wrinkles? You're not folding your clothes, they're gonna get wrinkled. In my family, I grew up using an iron. Even if it doesn't seem like it's not wrinkled to most people when it comes out of the dryer, it is wrinkled to me. I'm gonna use an iron. My mom always ironed my clothes. I grew up using an iron, and as for my family, all my kids use the iron. Jeff uses an iron. I iron everything. I even iron Allie's clothes when she goes to school every day. It's just how I grew up. And so the wrinkles really aren't an issue to me or anybody in the family, and we all seem to really like this way of me doing laundry. At the end of the day, when I'm done doing all my laundry, I will take the baskets and I will put them in each kid's room, and then they know, okay, my laundry's done, I need to empty out my basket and put it back on top of the dryer. For the most part, everybody puts their own laundry away. Jeff puts his away, Ray and Kayla put theirs away, and Allie and I are working on how to do hers. And it really is such a time saver doing it this way when you have a larger family. Even if you don't have a larger family, I think that this process of doing laundry is just amazing. Some of you are probably going to ask me, what laundry soap do I use, what fabric softener, and what fabric sheets do I use? I buy all of that stuff at Costco or Sam's Club. I buy whatever is on sale there, and if it's not on sale, then I just buy the store brand. I also DIY my own fabric sheets. You'll have to stay tuned for that video because I have a really cool DIY version of fabric sheets that are reusable using Dollar Tree items. And this here is my tips and tricks on how I do laundry for a family of 5. And it takes me no time at all except for today because I'm filming it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more everything on a budget, more tips and tricks, more cleaning, more crafting on a budget, more in the kitchen with Kathleen to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, happy cleaning and keeping your sanity, and bye for now.